Okay, just like in the book Chrysanthemum, our names are very important. And I go by Mrs. Albertson to the students at this school, but my friends and my family call me something else. They call me by my first name. And my real first name is Cynthia, but I have a nickname that I go by, and that is Cindy. You see the difference? Cynthia and Cindy, okay? And so I made you have a black sheet of paper that has your name on it in white crayon. Well, we're going to do a craft today where you need some glue and you have these sheets of paper. And so you pick each letter that you are going to do needs to be a different color. And so the first letter is capital, okay? And so that means I'm so important, it's capital, but then all the other letters are lowercase. So what you're going to do is you are going to pick a color and start with your first letter. You need to do one letter at a time. Now, I don't want you to cut it, and I don't want you to make strips of colored paper. So what you're going to do, you're going to actually practice tearing, okay? And so if you tear it, you're using your pincher muscles, okay? So don't cut the paper. You're just going to rip your paper into little squares, okay, about the size of the tip of your finger or your nail. And you're going to rip those pieces of paper like that, and that is going to be what you are going to line your name with, okay? It's a really fun activity. You can do it with Cheerios or with beads, something so that you're practicing using those tiny little fingers and you're paying attention to how your name is formed, okay? And so then you take your glue stick and then you trace your name with the glue stick. And it's okay if it goes a little bit over, okay? Because glue sticks are wide and your name is written in crayon. It's just important that when you finish, that you place them so that it looks like the letter of your name. So here I am just doing the N in my name, Cindy. I practiced and modeled in class the C and the I, but now I'm doing the N for you. Okay, so here it is. Okay, and there we go. And so you might have a little bit left over. That's okay, you can just throw it away, or maybe you could practice doing your last name on the back, whatever you want to do. It's a really fun craft, okay? And so then I'm going to move on to the next color here just to show you again in case you're not sure. So I'm going to tear this like that. There you go. There you go. How nice is that? Just like that. Okay. And see how I'm tearing? I'm not going like big long strips. Like, don't do that because that's not using your muscles. You want to tear one little piece at a time so that your name looks nice and equal, I guess. All right, and so there you go. And that I'm just placing the there you go. I can hear them outside while I'm doing this. They're having a little bit of recess time, so I'm filming this ahead of time so that way you guys can get this lesson sooner. There we go. There you go. Oop. Drop some on the floor. I can just tear some more just so that it looks nice and pretty. See how it looks? But these are kind of tricky, aren't they? There you go. There we go. Nice and pretty. And that's what you do with all of your letters in it. I can't remember. I think everybody has enough colors. We had some repeats. Like, for example, Christian in our class had 9 letters, so he had to repeat some colors, but these are great. Okay, that's it.